In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Netflix region on your iPad. The first thing we need to do is to download a VPN to our iPad so we can connect to a different country. To do this, you first want to open the App Store. Now you want to click on the search icon in the top navigation bar and you want to search for a VPN of your choice. This example, we are using NordVPN. Once you've searched for it, it should be the top result, which will look like this. And now you want to go ahead and download the application. Once we've downloaded NordVPN, we can exit out of the App Store, and now we can go ahead and open it up. When you open it for the first time, you'll see this privacy screen, so you want to read through this information, and once you're ready, you want to select one of these options. Now you'll be taken to a login screen, so you simply want to log into your NordVPN account if you have one already. However, if you don't, you can click on the link in the description below, or scan the QR code where you can get up to 72% off your NordVPN account. Once you sign in for the first time, you're prompted to receive notifications, so you simply want to select one of these options. Now you'll be able to use NordVPN, so you want to go ahead and connect to a server of our choice. So for the example of this video, I'm currently in the UK, so I can only watch the UK version of Netflix. However, if I want to watch the US version of Netflix, I would have to select a US server. So to do this, we can either use this map, and we can navigate to a US server, or alternatively, we can pull up on the side menu, and then pull up again, and we can manually select a server from the list of countries here. So for the example of this video, I'm just going to select United States. Now because it's our first time, we're going to need to set up a VPN configuration profile on our iPad. So we're going to select Got It, and then you want to select Allow, and then in your iPad settings you need to enter in your passcode, and then it will take you straight back to NordVPN where you'll be successfully connected to that server. Again, because it's our first time, it's going to prompt us to enable threat protection. So I'm going to select Enable, and then Reconnect, and after a second or two we're going to be reconnected to the VPN server we just connected to. So as you can see, we have successfully connected to a United States server, so we'll be browsing the internet as if we are from the United States. So now we've connected to our VPN server, we can exit out of the application, and now we want to go ahead and open Netflix. Now if you haven't done so already, you want to sign out of your current account. And once you're taken to the login screen, you simply want to select sign in the top right hand corner, and then you want to go ahead and sign into your account yet again. So once you've signed into your account and selected your profile, you'll now be browsing that region version of Netflix. So if I scroll down here, as you can see it says top 10 series in the US today, where I can go ahead and select one of these, and I can start watching it just as I normally would. And that's it, so remember to click on the link in the description or scan the QR code on screen to get up to 72% off your NordVPN account. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.